Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report an item as missing on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report an item that's missing on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Next, click on their profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on orders on the top right. Then click on past orders. Then you want to click on the order where you have a missing item from. Next, click on help on the top right. Then go ahead and click on my order has wrong or missing items. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report an item as missing on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.